Environment. Definition. Environment in a sentence. Environment pronunciation. Environment meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of environment. Environment. En-vi-ron-ment. Environment. Environment as a noun means the surrounding conditions in which an organism lives, the air, water, and land in or on which people, animals, and plants live, or the natural world. Common usages in academic writing: a hostile environment, a stable environment, to damage the environment, to protect the environment. Environmental activism. Example sentences. Environment, noun. The arthropod's exoskeleton provides unmatched protection in such a hostile environment. Example sentence number 2. The environmentalist movement has positively impacted the production of electric vehicles in the past decade. The common academic writing variation is environmental, adjective. Recent oil spills have sparked heated debates between environmental protection groups and the heads of state. Please write a sentence using environment in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know environment's pronunciation, environment's meaning, and how to use environment in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.